Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make one of these whimsical looking doodle birds. I started making these when I was teaching an after school program for 5th graders, so I know that these are appropriate for many ages. Some of the things we're going to learn today are how to make a safe, solid sized mini sculpture. 1 to 1.5 inch thick, should be able to fire without any problems. If you're nervous, you can always poke a hole in the bottom. We're going to learn how to use simple shapes to create a bird, how you can connect clay pieces together using the score, slip, and press method, and how to follow step-by-step instructions. Some of the tools we're going to be using today are really simple tools that are available in almost all pottery studios. We're going to use the needle tool. We're going to use a modeling wood stick or a trim stick. We're going to use some slip. And we're also going to be using clay. First thing we're going to do is start by making one 1-inch round ball. There we go. We're going to make another one. And another one. One more ought to do it. Okay, now we're going to make 3 smaller balls. These smaller balls are going to be for eyes and a beak. We're now going to take one of those balls and smash it. Then we're going to cut it right in half. Make sure you take care of all your edges so that they aren't sharp. And then we're going to use that modeling tool again to press in some little marks. You'll see these are going to make great feet and feathers. Going to score and slip. Press that on. Go. Those are the feet. Bird has feet. Let's smash another ball. There we go. Cut it in half. Do the exact same thing. This time we're going to score and slip the sides of our bird body. Press these wings on, just like that. Okay, let's smash another one. This time we're going to cut this one into kind of a different shape. Want it smaller on the bottom and a little wider on the top. We're going to use that modeling tool to put some impressions in it. This is going to be for the tail feathers. Go and slip the back. Press this guy on. Go, we're getting close. This one's going to be the beak, so we have to kind of mold this ball. It needs to be kind of triangular shaped, or a pyramid. It'll go right in the middle in the front. There. Scoring the place where the eyes are going to go. Them on and Little dots for the irises. Here we are, a doodle bird. Now's a good time to think about how we use these simple shapes to make bird. What else could we make? How about a giraffe? How about a mouse? Maybe a penguin? Or a turtle? About a hippopotamus? Dog? Or even an elephant? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and of course, coming soon, my baked mac and cheese Cajun chicken bacon dish.